Like I'm fancy. Death drop. Who gonna handle me? Who gonna handle me? Naomi.
Hey babes, I'm back with another wig review. Before we get into this application with Jay, I'm going to tell you guys a little bit specs about this wig. Got a wig from ISEE Hair, which I purchased with my own money. This hair is a straight hair lace front wig, pre-plucked Brazilian hair, 13x6 lace frontal, 180 density, and 22 inches. This cost me about $256.97. The wig came with 4 combs, 2 at the side, 1 in the back, and 1 on top of the head. The knots did not come bleached, and the lace was a light medium color. And now it's time to get into this wig application with Jay.
Hey babes, it's your girl Zeba Bay, and I'm back with another video. And today I'm here with the talented Jay.
What's goody?
He is probably one of the most talented hairstylist, wig specialist in Toronto. He has done my hair in the past, so I thought it'd be really cool. We did a cool collab video where he, slays my wig for my vacation, because you guys know I will be going to England this week for a very big event, and I want to make sure I look popping, because you already know those girls in England don't play, and I can't let them come for me. So period. So he's gonna put the wig on me. He has already tinted it, did a little bit like plucking and everything, and then we're gonna do the whole method, do a little chit chat. I'm gonna ask some questions, he's gonna style my hair, it's gonna be a great time. So also make sure you follow him. I'm gonna put his Instagram somewhere right here and everything, so you guys can follow him and hit him up. He's very talented. Okay, so yeah, I feel like I'm gonna also insert some pictures of the time he did my hair when I went to Miami. I look like a bad bitch. I look like a bad inches. I look like it was like 30 inches that time. Well, 30, 20 inches. That was a good weekend. I look like a baddie, stripper hair to the gods. But now I'm trying to be classy and get a husband. Ooh. So 30-inch hair needs to down a notch, guys. When I get the ring, and he's getting the whole thing, whole 9 yards. But we're gonna start this process, so don't come for my hair or my edges, y'all. Okay? So like I said, I got this wig from ISEE Hair. I paid with it with my own money. So guys, let's get into this little video of how to get my hair slayed and done by a professional. And yeah, while he's doing my hair, I'm gonna ask some questions. You guys get to know him more as a hairstylist, wig specialist, and why I love him so much. Okay, let's get this started. So what are you doing now? So you're spraying this, putting the thing on? So we're doing the bald cap method, guys. Bald cap method.
And I like pantyhose because you can choose the color.
Oh,
as opposed to having to
buy the wig cap.
Buy the wig cap and put makeup on it, and because makeup ends up
it's not good to put.
It doesn't last as long when you
put makeup on it, right? Cause I see so many people put makeup on them. But I feel like makeup's not really supposed to be on your body 24 hours like that. So as people do that, I'm just like, I don't get it. And I feel like sometimes it gets messy. Like when you start putting gel on it.
Like to look crusty.
Yeah, I feel like it looks crusty and greasy a lot faster.
Cool air, not hot.
Cool air? How come?
No. Tokyo said.
Right now you're cutting the lace. I mean the stocking. The stocking. Okay, so I'm gonna ask you some questions right now. Ready? Yes. Okay, so how long have you been doing hair for?
7 years now.
7 years?
7 years, yeah. 7 years.
Like 7 years. And what's your favorite thing about doing hair? What made you fall into hair, or
it was mostly my cousins. Just not even. Sounds selfish. Not even about the client. It's about me imposing that sexy side of them, that they don't see in themselves. You know what I mean?
Okay.
Sometimes you want to go against their little grain and be like, no, baby, we're gonna do this, and then they're a whole new person.
See, transforming them.
Yeah.
like start to finish.
Absolutely.
Okay, so like, what's like your like favorite hairstyle to do on someone?
You already know.
what you're doing to me today?
Yes, bone straight, sleek, long, inches. Like, I don't know what it is about it, but
it's a look.
yeah, like even back to like Morticia Adams, like I'm like, baby.
Ooh, Morticia Adams.
I love
she's
her
that.
from
She's that
Austin,
bitch.
yeah.
Yeah, she's that bitch. She's actually is that bitch.
Elegant, refined,
Yeah.
weird, but still beautiful.
Yeah.
Like,
Oh, Morticia Adams. What's like a dream celebrity like to do like hair on?
oh my gosh.
If someone's like, it could be anybody. Like God be like, okay, listen, boom.
It'd probably be Rihanna.
Oh really?
Even though she doesn't do the laces and all the things.
Does she? Oh, I mean, for music videos she could, but she's been rocking her hair natural a lot lately.
One lace in her whole career. Well, except for that loud era.
Yeah.
That.
The sideshow Bob era. I love colored units and stuff like that, but for the average working person,
Yeah, like
that's not. No, what are you doing? All this is happening right now. But look at this so far. Look at this. Jeez. Oh my god, I'm loving this. So right now he's just outlining. Are you outlining the hairline?
literally.
So right now he's just doing this so he knows where to put the glue, because we are gluing this wig down. What are we using to glue this wig down with?
So typically, my favorite glues are either Bolt Hold or, for longevity, I actually like what you can get in the store, Ghost Bonds.
Ghost Bond.
Yeah.
Better than Bolt Hold, but I heard Ghost Bond turns white.
No, not if it's done right.
Oh, no, that's, oops. Oops. Oh.
It gives the best hold in my opinion. Like I tried so many. I tried Lace Grip. I tried, what's that one in the purple? I don't remember.
So you tried it. So you actually tried out a few.
Yeah. And
Okay.
It just gives the best. And this is unanimous with me and my coworkers.
Okay.
It just gives the best hold. And
How does it feel? How does it work with like split? Do you feel like it never turns white at all, or no?
I haven't had any issues personally.
Okay. And neither of your clients, I'm guessing too.
No.
Okay, because you put them on, but.
On her skin now.
So you see how he put so you use a powder and it traced it and it went through the lace, so now he knows exactly where to put the glue. So do you work in sections?
I do.
You work in sections? Okay.
Just half and half.
Half and half?
Complicated.
Okay. So what's the technique to like using Bolt Hold? Or
people
let it
usually
go.
use too much,
Okay.
and that causes it not to dry enough, and then when they stick it down, it turns white.
Yeah, okay.
So you only use a little bit at a time.
Cause I feel like I had that problem with like previous hairdressers. I think they didn't give enough time for it to like dry, and it got like, you know, like white.
This one's very user friendly. It dries. It should dry within 20 seconds.
Okay.
Between each layer.
Okay. Gotta fix my nails. Look at this.
See how that's clear already?
Oh, that was fast. Look how clear that became. Like it went on white. That was actually really fast.
Yeah.
Oh, so now you're pushing. I can feel that stick. Oh, that's like an instant like facelift. Instant facelift. Okay. So some people like using a razor. Do you like using the scissors?
This is sharper.
Huh?
This one, the scissors are sharper.
True. And you have to do it in a zigzag motion, right?
Well, jagged as possible.
Because it doesn't blend in if it's rounded. Honey!
Now Jay's taking an elastic band and he's gonna wrap it around my hairline so it really secures the frontal and it dries a lot better and a lot flatter and getting that melt. To define my middle part, he's taking some water and he's spritzing each side of it and then combing it through.
I gotta jump up to get in my jeans. I walk up in the grass, no shoes, bare feet. I float up in the ocean, fuck a big scene. Sand between my
Now taking a flat iron, he's gonna straighten out my hair to make it look super bone straight.
I come from a different space, travel different plane. It's my fairy tale. You can go to hell. Worry about somebody else, yeah, you gon' lose yourself. So wake up, wake
And then he's going to take a hot comb to really define my middle part, getting it laid flat to my head.
What?
Yes.
Who gonna handle me? Who gonna handle me? Who gonna handle me? I can handle me. Oh my god, y'all need to go follow Jay right now.
Oh wow, it looks good. It looks nice and flat.
Yeah?
Thanks for the braids.
Don't I look like a baddie?
Yes, you look like the body that you wanted to look like. Yes. Yes.
She wanted me to do curly hair and I was like, nah.
No, because I thought the straight hair wasn't gonna look good. But this is not, man. This is nice. Flat on your head. Yeah, man. Oh, look how nice. Yeah. Baddiness.
Well,
Let's stand up and shake it.
like, who am I? I can't even see myself, but I just know I look like a bad bitch. I know I look sickening. You did this. Oh my god. What's some pros and cons to this hair? Would you recommend this hair? Do you like this hair?
This hair personally?
Yes.
Pros for this particular unit. A deeper part looks way more natural because a lot of people get the 13x4
Yeah.
ends there. Nobody parts their hair like that.
No.
So 13x6, beautiful. You get part deep, looks way more natural. This hair has weight to it, and a lot of cheap hair it's bounce. This has movement. I really like that.
Okay, so you like hair with weight.
Yeah, it
okay.
needs weight. Otherwise, it looks fake. Like,
yeah.
why are you not blowing in the wind, babe? Like,
Why are you not blowing in the wind?
why are you turning but your hair's not?
Think about like how it takes the straightener, like the straightening.
Oh yeah, it's straightened very well.
Straightened really well. Okay.
Very well.
And how do you feel like the lace melted?
Average.
Average. Okay.
Yeah.
It's not like HD lace. we can't get HD lace. How do you think I even though I did my knots, like I bleached knots, how do you think the knots turned out?
No, they're
They're
good.
good? Okay, thank God. I like when the parts like not too thick. I see some girls having the gap like
Yeah, who parted the sea?
it's like, no, Jesus did not walk for this. He did not go on the cross for this. You better fix
My
up.
hair's like my Moses.
Right. Yes, but other things about this hair. Would you recommend this to a beginner?
Oh, for sure.
For sure.
For sure. Shout out to, who is it?
Icy.
Shout out to Icy Hair.
Icy hair.
Maybe I'll try it myself.
I'll have like you guys all the description with this for this unit will be in the link below. Naomi. And let me show you guys the length. So I'm about 5'3"-ish, 5'3", 5'2"-ish. And this is how long the hair is. I think the hair is 24, 22 inches. I'm pretty sure it's 24 inches. I have to look into that. But this is the unit. It, as you like heard Jay said, that it was super easy to like straighten. It was average melts for the lace. You also like the fact that it's 13x6, so you get that really nice deep natural part. The knots bleach really well. I did dye this hair a jet black color, and I love this hair. I love how it look. Like, you have to give a round of applause. Come in the camera. Like, so you guys make sure you follow him, please. He also does make units.
Yes, I do.
He does make units. Make sure you follow him. Ask him for any advice or anything like that. But we're definitely gonna have to do something else because this. I just love how particular he is. He's so like, he has with spurs. Yes. But it was awesome because it's such a great feeling getting like, you know, collabing with someone in my city, and you know, has such great talent. And if you guys follow him, that would mean so much to me because you did a great job. Like, this is like this is the reason why. Like, I remember the first time you did my hair, I loved it. And he is so talented, and he be consistent. And he is so talented. So yeah, this is my review on the ISEE hair. I hope you guys enjoyed this little video. I'll be back with another video, guys, and I'll be doing a review and tell you guys how I like this hair on my vacation. and everything. So if you guys have any questions, you can always message me via DM, and also answer any questions in the comments. Make sure you comment, like, and subscribe to my channel, and I'll be back with more videos. Bye!
Bye.
Hey guys, it's actually the next day that I got my hair done by Jay, and as you can see, it's still laid perfectly, still looking snatched. The glue is like really dried down, so you don't see much of the whiteness. I did my makeup so I could look cute, do a little final boom 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 boom, you know, because I just felt like it was just weird, like just be so fresh faced with such a baggy beat hair. So I made sure that I did my makeup and, you know, put on some hoops. I got my nails done by my girl, it's Cinderella, so you guys make sure you follow her too. Make sure you follow Tresses by Jay as well, because he's laid this hair for me. And I'm also wearing Gaza strip lashes on my eyes, cute, and I'm wearing Stay Beat lip gloss in number 2. So thank you guys for watching this video, tutorial, review, and application. I hope you guys like it. Give me a thumbs up if you would love to see Jay more on my channel, because he is amazing and I love him to bits, and he definitely slayed my hair for this trip. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll be back with another video. Bye!